Well Macintosh and welcome to my kitchen. So right now guys, I'm gonna make my husband's favorite cookie, which is Snickerdoodles. So the Snickerdoodles is a very simple cookies that you can make with a simple ingredients. First thing is first, you need 2 3/4 cups of flour or all-purpose flour, and then 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of vegetable shortening, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda, of course 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of cream, 2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and then 2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So also you need another 2 tablespoons of sugar with the 2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So first thing is first, we have to mix together the shortening, the 1 portion of sugar, which is the 1 1/2 cups, and then the 2 eggs. So here it is. I'm gonna mix the sugar, which is 1 1/2 cups, then the shortening, the vegetable shortening, which is 1 cup, and well, of course, our very own 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. Then after that, you have to mix it. So since I'm not really using this one first, so I need to use my own mixer, which is the electric mixer. So here it is. I'm gonna use my hand electric mixer. This is the mix. Just make sure to mix it properly. And that's it. Here it is, the mixture of vegetable shortening, sugar, and 2 large eggs. So I will just set this one aside here, and also don't forget to, and also just make sure to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 300. So that's it, 375. So, and then we have all now to mix the dry ingredients, which is 2 3/4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, so 1 and 2, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Just make sure label it, and as well as your 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So this is the 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, this is 1/2 teaspoon now, and then you have to whisk it. You have to sift it. So just make sure there's no solid lumps on your dry ingredients mixture. Here it is. So and then I will transfer it again in the bowl. And then you have to mix the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, like 1/3 of each portion at a time. So I'm gonna use the mixer again. So just 1/3 of this each size. And then mix it. And then another 1/3 part of the drying mixture. That's it. Then mix it again. And then another 1/3 mixture. So set this one aside, and then I'm gonna mix it again.
This is the last portion.
So that's it. And we have to mix it manually. So I already washed my hands. So I'm gonna, since the electric hand mixer, it's not working for in this dough, so I have to use my hands to mix it very well. So that's it, guys. I already mixed it. So I have to use this one to make one roll, 1 inches ball from the cookie dough, and put it on a pan. And so that's it. When it's done, then you have to put it on the oven, which is you have to bake it from 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I will show you guys how to do it. So before that, I'm gonna form a ball using this one. So I have to make what do you call that, to roll over the dough, the ball dough here. So I have to use my cinnamon. So you have to use the, what do you call it, the ratio is 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, which is the ground cinnamon, and then 2 teaspoons as well of brown sugar. White sugar. So white sugar, and then just mix it, and then that's where your ball dough, you have to roll over it here. So you have to mix it. So that's it. So this is now your cinnamon powder and the sugar, 2:2. So I'm gonna put it here. So because this is where you roll over the cookie dough. And that's it. So here it is. I already used my parchment, the baking pan, and a parchment paper, which is non-stick. And here is my cinnamon sugar mixture powder. And then I'm gonna get like about 1 inch of the size of this one, the cookie dough, and form it into a ball size. And then after that, you have to roll it over here. And then put it here. And then
get another one. Then roll it over. So that's just very simple. So roll it over. In here. Roll it over. Put 1 inch again. And then roll it here. So that's very simple, guys. Then get another one here. Then roll it again. It's like you're making a munchkin. One. And then one again. Just make sure to set it, put them like 1 to 2 inches away from each other, because they will melt and like they will flatten, because it's consisted of vegetable protein and so. Over here. So one again. Then make another one.
So this is my finish that I form into a ball and roll it over in a sugar and cinnamon powder. So this is now, so it's ready to put in the oven. So you have to bake it at least 8 to 10 minutes on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So here it is. That's it. And then timer for 10 minutes. And that's it. So here right now, it's almost over. After probably I cook it like 10 minutes. And then when I look at it, it's not yet ready because it's kind of thick. So I cook it again and for another 10 minutes. So it's already ready. So we will see if it's cooked or not. So here it is. Look at that. I think it's cooked now. So that's it. So it is ready now, so you will have to set it aside, like to cool it off, and after that maybe like 5 minutes to 10 minutes and it's ready to eat. So that's it. It's that simple. So this is me again, Roel Macintosh. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel and also like as well. And also don't forget to press the bell button. And also thank you for my dear subscribers that I reached 800, I think 812 or 820 subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting, and please also watch my videos. I think I have like probably 29 videos right now, maybe 30th. This is the third. Oh no, this is the 30th video. So please support me guys, and thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.